What's up and welcome to Gift Makumbe BA channel. Today we're going to talk about 7 of the best money making apps of 2020. Free apps like iBota and Upwork can put more money in your pocket. Many or all of the products featured here are from our partners who compensate us. This may influence which products we write about and how the products appear on here. For those looking to make money in an easily accessible way, apps provide plenty of avenues to consider. You can use your smartphone to take surveys, pick up a side project, sell your unwanted stuff, and more. Here's the scoop on 7 free money making apps. Number 1, iBota. How it works. iBota lets you earn cash back on in-store and online purchases at over 1,500 brands and retail chains originally for groceries. It has expanded to include clothing, entertainment, pet supplies, and other categories. Offers can be product or retail specific, and some will automatically be applied. For others, you'll need to complete on additional tasks such as watching a video or taking a poll. There are 3 possible ways to earn cashback in stores and offers and submit your receipt in the app after your shopping trip. Link your retail loyalty account or pay directly through the app using a linked debit or credit card. For online purchases, you shop through the app or website. A payment through PayPal, gift card, or direct to a bank account. Pros: you will receive cashback on in-store purchases quickly, typically within 24 hours. iBota also offers up to $20 welcome bonus, referral bonuses, and variety of payment methods. Cons: making money can be a slow process. You must have at least $20 in cashback to redeem your earnings. $25 for certain gift cards. For online shopping, the pending period for earning cashback varies by retailer. But for some, it can take several months to get credit for your purchase. For example, at the time of making this, the average pending period for max.com is 90 days. Number 2, Rakuten. How it works. Rakuten, formerly known as eBit, rewards shoppers up to 40% cashback on purchases from well-known retailers, restaurants, and food delivery services. Users can also earn cashback on travel, gift cards, and more. It's straightforward. Create an account, tap on the deal you want to in-app, then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Rakuten account to earn cashback in store. As long as you activate the deal through the app first, Rakuten credits the cashback to your account after it confirms the purchase with the retailer, which it says it takes a few hours to several days. Payment: PayPal or check. Pros: thousands of stores and purchases are eligible for cashback, so you'll likely find deals where you already shop. You can also earn sign-up and referral bonuses. Cons: as with most cashback services, you have to spend money to earn money. You won't see your earnings right away. Either Rakuten sends out payments every 3 months, and you need to at least have $5 cashback balance to get paid. You can download it on Android or iOS. Nerd Wallet makes managing your finances easy too. Keep track of your spending, credit score, and even find fresh ways to save. Number 3, Swagbucks. How it works. Swagbuck is a cashback and rewards app. You earn points called SB by shopping, taking polls, watching videos, playing games, or fulfilling other tasks through Swagbucks. You can redeem those points for gift cards or get cashback to your PayPal account. The total points awarded for a varied task, for example, surveys are typically worth 40 to 200 SB points each. The minimum balance required to redeem depends on payout option you choose, but some gift cards are available for as low as 140 SB. Payment, gift card or PayPal. Pros: Swagbucks offers many easy to earn rewards, and there is no waiting period to cash in. Payments usually arrive within 10 business days after redemption. You can also get $10 bonus with a qualifying $25 purchase when you join. Cons: it doesn't pay much. 1 SB is worth about a cent. With many tax valued at pennies, it can take a fair amount of time and effort to make substantial money. Additionally, you won't qualify for every survey or task. Users often report getting kicked out of surveys in the middle of checking them. This can be due to demographics or dishonest, inconsistent answers, according to Swagbucks. Download. It can be downloaded on Android or iOS. Number 4, Fiverr. How it works. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace that features gigs in over 200 categories, such as programming and video and animation. You create a profile as a seller, highlighting your expertise. Then post the gig you're offering, which will include pricing and a description of your services. Clients, known as buyers, can click through the place orders. You'll get paid once you complete the job. Fiverr assigns seller levels based on performance. As you move up each tier, you'll be able to sell more extras, such as a faster delivery time. Payment: PayPal direct to a bank account or credit on Fiverr. Revenue card, a prepaid card. Minimum withdrawal amounts vary, and you may be charged a withdrawal fee depending on which option you choose. Pros: you don't have to worry about tracking down buyers because they come to you. You can also earn tips. Cons: Fiverr takes 20% of your earnings for every gig, including tips, and there is a standard 14-day waiting period to withdraw the money after completing an order. It can be downloaded on Android or iOS. Number 5, Upwork. How it works. Upwork connects freelancers to gigs in writing, design, marketing, and other categories on marketplace. First, you'll create a portfolio. It should include information such as a field you're interested in, plus your qualifications, availability, and desired rate. Then you can submit proposals. Clients will review them and offer projects if you seem like a good fit. You will pay a small sum for each submission, but you won't be charged when a client contacts you. You can get paid on an hourly or per project basis. Payment: directly to your bank account, wire transfer, instant pay, PayPal, and Pioneer. Charges apply to some payment options, so be sure to check Upwork for details. Pros: Upwork helps take the work out of seeking out clients, establishing relationships, and getting paid. The service also gives you a flexibility to set your preferred rate and schedule. Cons: the app is free to download, but initiating contact with clients costs money. Users also get charged a fee of about 5% to 20% cutoff of your earnings based on how much you have billed a client. The more you earn, the more you get to keep. However, you won't get paid until 10 days after the billing period ends. Remember, too, that you are competing with other freelancers on the platform. That means clients may choose those who've set lower rates. It can be downloaded on Android and iOS. Number 6, let go. How it works. Let go functions as a local marketplace. You can choose to sell your stuff. You can create your account, post a picture, a smartphone, a car, a sofa, or whatever you're selling, and you start earning money. That was all for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment.